When tough cleaning jobs call for serious power, the best gas-powered pressure washer delivers unmatched performance. Perfect for driveways, decks, and outdoor surfaces, it combines high-pressure water with portability, making stubborn dirt and grime disappear quickly and efficiently. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Westinghouse 2.6 GPM Gas Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse 2.6 GPM gas pressure washer is designed to deliver a strong balance of power and convenience for homeowners who need reliable cleaning performance. With 3,400 psi and 2.6 gallons per minute, it produces deep cleaning water pressure that makes it ideal for a wide range of jobs, including decks, fences, sidewalks, patios, siding, and even vehicles. The onboard 1-gallon gas tank and half-gallon soap tank make it easy to transition between water and detergent for added cleaning power, saving time during larger tasks. The 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose paired with the lightweight spray gun ensures you can move around without hassle, while the 5 quick connect nozzles provide versatility for various cleaning needs. The inclusion of accessories compatibility, such as surface cleaners and foam cannons, gives this washer an edge for homeowners who want to expand their cleaning arsenal. The machine is powered by a heavy-duty 212cc 4-stroke Westinghouse OHD engine, built for durability and reliable starts, with a maintenance-free axial cam pump that offers consistent water flow. Number 2. Simpson 2.5 GPM Gas Pressure Washer. The Simpson 2.5 GPM gas pressure washer is a solid option for homeowners who want dependable cleaning strength with a straightforward setup. Featuring 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM, this machine is powered by a reliable 208cc CRX residential engine that offers consistent starts and steady performance. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks like decks, patios, siding, and even preparing outdoor surfaces for painting. The inclusion of a maintenance-free OEM axial cam pump with thermal relief ensures the washer runs smoothly without the risk of overheating, extending its overall life. Simpson has designed this model with quality accessories to make cleaning both efficient and comfortable. The 25-foot Moreflex high-pressure hose is abrasion-resistant and non-marring, which means it won't leave marks on delicate surfaces, and its flexibility allows for easy handling. It comes with 4 quick connect nozzle tips, including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 40, and soap, which allow you to adjust the spray based on your cleaning project. Number 3. Simpson 4.0 GPM Gas Pressure Washer. The Simpson 4.0 GPM gas pressure washer is a professional-grade powerhouse designed to handle demanding cleaning jobs. Delivering an impressive 4,400 psi at 4.0 GPM, it provides the kind of heavy-duty performance needed by contractors and professionals who specialize in wood restoration, deck cleaning, paint preparation, and other labor-intensive services. At its core, the washer is powered by a premium CRX 420cc engine, known for its strength and reliability, paired with an industrial-grade AA triplex plunger pump that ensures maximum water flow and long-lasting performance. This pump includes thermal relief for protection against overheating, while Simpson's Power Boost technology helps deliver higher pressure directly at the nozzle, improving efficiency for stubborn grime removal. The build quality is equally impressive, with a welded steel frame and powder-coated finish for durability and corrosion resistance. Mobility is handled by 13-inch pneumatic tires that allow the unit to roll smoothly over uneven terrain, which is crucial for job sites with mixed ground conditions. Number 4. A-Built 2.3 GPM Gas Pressure Washer. The A-Built 2.3 GPM gas pressure washer is a powerful, heavy-duty cleaning tool aimed at homeowners who want professional-level performance without hiring outside help. With a pressure rating of 3,500 psi at 2.3 GPM, it provides more than enough cleaning force to tackle tough jobs like stripping paint, blasting away moss, cleaning vehicles, and removing oil stains from driveways. Its 209cc 7 HP 4-stroke OHV engine ensures reliable power delivery, with a recoil start that makes operation straightforward. The axial cam pump adds durability with minimal maintenance needs, allowing users to focus on the task at hand rather than upkeep. This washer comes with 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, giving enough flexibility to clean everything from delicate car surfaces to hard concrete. Number 5. Simpson 3.5 GPM Gas Pressure Washer. The Simpson 3.5 GPM gas pressure washer is a high-towered professional tool designed to meet the needs of contractors and demanding homeowners. With its Honda GX270 premium engine, this model provides unmatched reliability and performance, making it an excellent option for large-scale cleaning projects. Delivering 3.5 GPM of water flow, it ensures efficient cleaning while maintaining enough PSI to cut through dirt, mold, old paint, and other stubborn residues. This makes it particularly suitable for wood restoration, paint preparation, and deck or driveway cleaning. The Honda GX engine is known for its long life and easy starting, giving this washer a strong edge over competitors in terms of durability and dependability. The unit's professional-grade build includes a welded steel frame with a corrosion-resistant finish, ensuring it can handle rough environments and extended use without issues. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.